Hello guys, Netsia TV. Guys, andito tayo ngayon para sa ating bagong tutorial. Ang bagong tutorial natin ay ang paggawa ng green screen sa picture natin. At paano natin ito siya gagamitin sa thumbnail natin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Syempre, sa mga di pa naka-like, mag-like na, mag-subscribe, at i-click na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong uploads ko. Syempre guys, bago yan, mag-intro muna tayo. Click KineMaster, then create new projects, then choose 16.9x, choose any color, and then we will make it green. Click the color and check, and then choose the green, and then the white color will become green. Click layer, then media to choose your picture in your gallery. And then this was the picture was chosen, and then the picture is there in your green screen. Then you can adjust your picture. Click layer again and the handwriting, and then in the handwriting you can have these sizes to erase the background of your picture. Yes, that's it. If you want to return your original picture, you can click the right side eraser, and then you go back again to erase your background, the background of your picture, and choose the sizes. Ayan. You are using different sizes in erasing the picture, the background of the picture. After you finish deleting your background, you can move your picture so that you can review and to clear your erasure. Yan. Then you can go back again if you want to have to clear something. You can review and clear up again. You can use the sizes of the erasure. Then if you think all is clean and tidy, on the left side you can see the squares. Then you capture and save. Then click layer and media to see your captured picture is in your gallery. It's all very easy, and you have your green screen on your picture. After you have this green screen of your picture, I will show you how to use this green screen on your or in making your thumbnail. Keep on watching guys, and please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to click the notification bell so that you will be notified for my new uploads. Here we go. Click the KineMaster and then choose new projects. Choose 16.9 next. Choose image asset. I choose red as a background of my thumbnail, and then click layer and then media in your gallery, and then click the green screen that we made before. Then click chroma key, enable chroma key, and then you adjust the chroma key image, and then okay, then that's it. Then you adjust your picture and your thumbnail. Then click layer and media, choose image asset, any color you like. Then you can make it green color. Click color, the green color, and then you crop it. Okay, and then you zoom and arrange as one of your added design on your thumbnail. And then click layer in media, and then you choose a KineMaster logo, and then enable the shape circle, and then you adjust where you put the logo. We put the KineMaster logo because we are making thumbnail in KineMaster apps. And then now we are writing the caption of our thumbnail. Green screen. So we are making our caption according to the video that we are made. So you can click it the color for your border of your green screen, and then I choose the purple one. Then click layer again and handwriting, and then you can type another word in your thumbnail caption. So effects, the same procedure lang mga guys. Then so green screen effects. So you should make a border and enable the color, and then choose the color. So I choose black. Layer again and handwriting, and then write another word on your, so adjust, and the same procedure. You put the border, enable color, and then you choose the color and then check. Then that's it. Blue color. Then the same procedure again. Write the word thumbnail. Then you adjust it. So if you don't want to use a border color, is it also okay? It's up to you. Then you adjust the KineMaster logo and the thumbnail. The adjustment depends on you. And then same, check layer and handwriting. using. So the same procedure. If you want to border color, you can click the border color and then click enable and then choose color blue, and then that's it. Then click again, same procedure. If you added some words in your thumbnail, so you just typing. So I choose the red color for KineMaster and white color on the border. That's it lang guys, very easy. Pag nasundan nyo to ang video na to, huwag kalimutan i-like, i-subscribe at i-share. So that's it lang guys. Click capture and then save, and then check natin yung gallery. So andyan na siya. So that's all mga guys. Hope you learn, and God bless and be good.
So hanggang dito na lang yung tutorial natin guys. Sigurado ako may natutunan kayo. So huwag tubiling i-share sa marami. So maraming salamat sa panonood at sa suporta. God bless us all and be good.